Hey guys, welcome back to Think Beautiful, the channel where I discuss the debacle that is Meghan Markle and, of course, Prince Harry. Because today we have the news that Prince Harry has agreed to take a settlement, hasn't he? What an absolute hypocrite. He has spent the last few months or even years telling us how he wants to steamroll through. But today we have the Sun owner to pay Prince Harry substantial damages, and that amount varies depending what you read. It's between 12 and 20 mil. It is a lot of money. So let's see what this article says. The publisher of the Sun newspaper has agreed to pay substantial damages and apologised to the Duke of Sussex to settle a long running legal battle over claims of unlawful intrusion into his life. Prince Harry alleged journalists and private investigators working for news group newspapers, NGN, used unlawful techniques to pry on his private life, and executives then allegedly covered it up. NGN apologised for serious intrusion by the Sun between 1996 and 2011 and admitted incidents of unlawful activity were carried out by private investigators working for the newspaper in a statement read out in court. It also apologised for distress it caused Harry through the extensive coverage and serious intrusion into the private life of his late mother, Princess Diana. So he even got the Princess Diana bit in there as well. Good on him. The BBC understands the settlements to both Prince Harry and former Labor Deputy Leader Lord Tom Watson have cost NGN more than $10 million in payouts and legal fees. In total, NGN has spent upwards of $1 billion in damages and costs to those who claim their phones were hacked and their privacy invaded by the News of the World and The Sun. When he launched his claim, the prince alleged that more than 200 articles published by NGN between 1996 and 2011 contained information gathered by illegal means. He repeatedly said he wanted the case to go to trial, see, so that he could get accountability, didn't want to take a settlement, for other alleged victims of unlawful news gathering. He was going to be the vigilante here. NGN was surprised by the serious approach by Prince Harry for settlement because he changed his mind, did a 180 in recent days, a source told the BBC. A source close to the Duke of Sussex responded that the apology provides all the insight you need. Okay, so he banged on and on about not wanting to take a settlement. It wasn't about the money. He was doing this to prove a point. He wanted accountability. That is his favorite word at the moment. He wants everyone in the media to take accountability for their actions. He didn't even care if he had to pay everyone's legal fees. He wanted to go right to the end to show them what's what. Now, this is what he said in September. What is the goal of your lawsuit? The goal is accountability. Really, really clear. So, the interviewer here, and this is at the DealBook Summit in September, talks about how there were originally 40 claimants. It's now just the two of them. Harry is one of those. He's obviously very happy with that. He hasn't taken any payouts. He wants to go all the way. The interviewer says, "Look, if you win, you're going to get a lot less than if you just took a payout." He says, "Yes, I agree, 100 times over. And even if I do win, I'm still liable for legal costs on both sides." So he doesn't care. He's like, "Whatever, I'll do it." The interviewer says, "So people have taken settlements because it makes no economic sense." He says, "No, they've settled for because they had to. Therefore, I'm going to see this through for accountability and also for closure for the other families." So, two things he wants: accountability and closure for the others. And in doing that, or to get that outcome, he will not take a settlement. He will work through this. And what has he done today? What is going on? What is going on with this guy? He has done a 180. No one was expecting this, especially the tabloids. And he has decided to take a payout. And not only a payout, he's decided to take a substantial payout. Okay, they've just thrown money at him and gone, look, this guy is just not going away. We don't want this to go to trial. Just keep throwing money at him. He was so adamant he was not going to take it. And guess what? Everyone has their price, right? Everyone has a number. He needs money. He has no income coming in, but he got an apology. So let's just have a look at this because it says here, it talks a bit about Lord Watson as well. I won't go into that. But the references to the son in the apology were key, as without it, the prince would not have settled. So he just wanted an apology, it sounds like, in the end, and he wanted it to mention the son. So what did they do? They just whacked together a quick apology, threw him some money, and this has all gone away. So this is his apology that he received. NGN offers a full and unequivocal apology to the Duke of Sussex for the serious intrusion by the son between 1996 and 2011 into his private life, including incidents of unlawful activities carried out by private investigators working for the son. So they just put the son in there. NGN also offers a full and unequivocal apology to the Duke of Sussex for the phone hacking, surveillance, and misuse of private information by journalists and private investigators instructed by them at the News of the World. NGN further apologises to the Duke for the impact on him and the extensive coverage and serious intrusion into his private life, as well as the private life of Diana, Princess of Wales, his late mother, in particular during his younger years. We acknowledge and apologise for the distress caused to the Duke and the damage inflicted on his relationships, that's Chelsea, friendships and family, that's not why his family doesn't talk to him, and have agreed to pay him substantial damages. It is also acknowledged without any admission of illegality, so he didn't do anything wrong really, the MGM's response to the 2006 arrests and subsequent actions were regrettable. Now, regrettable doesn't really sound like an apology to me, to be really honest. So, all he wanted was a few words on a bit of paper with the word son in it and a heap of money. So, what happened to his stick it all out, wait to the end? I don't want money. I'm not in it for any of that. I just want accountability. What a hypocrite. He's just gone and taken money. I mean, this guy is such an idiot. Why say all of that on national TV, on global TV, and then go and do this? It makes absolutely no sense. I mean, he obviously needs the money. We know that. He's got no income. All he does is spend money on lawyers. He's only got outgoing. Megan can't make any money. Her cooking show, I mean, if that sees the light of day, that is just a miracle, to be honest, with what's just happening now. Maybe that's why in the last few days he suddenly decided, hang on, we might need the money. I mean, that could be a thing. Either way, he's going to lose her in the divorce. Let's be honest. Megan's already talking to people about getting divorced. She's over it. So, what was all of this for? So, guys, thank you so much for listening. I'm sure you all agree with me. Let me know in the comments. Is this guy the complete hypocrite we always knew he was? Thank you. Bye.